Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set attendance permissions here in Zoho People. Now, for us to be able to add an attendance permissions, we need to create an attendance administrator. All right, to do that, gotta log into your admin account. Now go to the top right and click on the gear icon right here. Now gotta find attendance. Okay, click on it. And then here, go ahead and go to the top. Now gotta click on permissions. Okay, in here we have the attendance administrator section. Now click on add administrator. Now give it a name. For example, as you can see here, we have time administrator or attendance admin. All right, assign this role to an employee. Search right here, maybe myself. You can go ahead and tag user groups, or if you don't have user groups, you can go and click on manage user groups right here and add a user group. All right, and once you added your user groups, you can now go ahead and configure access permissions. For example, attendance entries right here, you can view, add and edit, and view and edit employee shift mapping, and view reports as well. Now once done, just hit on save. Wait for the process to finish. And once done, as you can see here, it says attendance administrator added successfully. That's basically how you do it. Just wait for it to fully refresh the page. And as you can see here, we now have the new administrator or the attendance admin, and also the group that he or she has been assigned. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.